Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. Here's what you need to know with our weather here across central Alabama. Nice, warm, less humid air continues all the way through Friday with highs in the middle 80s, even into Saturday with some dry conditions as the drought continues to get worse. But a cold front coming in this weekend will bring us rain starting Saturday night through Sunday morning, and some of the storms could be on the strong side. In the short-term, ridge of high pressure over the southern part of the United States. That means all the weather systems stay off to our northwest and north, and we stay warm and dry with that lower humidity for now. So looking at temperatures staying in the middle 80s through Saturday, they finally drop down Sunday. That's all thanks to that cold front I alluded to that'll be headed our way. So this evening, temperatures fall through the 60s down into the 50s overnight tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning to lows in the lower to middle 50s, some upper 40s in the typical colder spots. So don't be surprised to see that tomorrow morning. A nice cool morning as the kids go back to school. Some of those that are on fall break, others just going back because it's Wednesday. Now highs tomorrow, lower to middle, even upper 80s showing up at 86 here in Birmingham area. So get ready for another toasty day out there with some dry weather through Friday. Saturday, most of the day will be dry. The bulk of the rain comes late Saturday into early Sunday morning as that front moves through, kind of clearing out by midday before we dry out Monday and Tuesday. So your weekend for Talladega looks good. Friday, 86 and dry, 85 Saturday. No problems for the race there. It's the Saturday night events that will have rain to contend with. And the 1 o'clock race on Sunday, going to watch that. The bulk of the rain will be cleared out by that point. May not be totally dry, but we'll have to watch and see how that plays out once we get the front closer to us during the day on Saturday, but temperatures do start to cool back down. Severe threat stays off to our northwest this time, which is good, but just a reminder, we're getting close to that severe weather season, which starts on November 1st. So as we get closer to that, we'll have to start paying close attention to that. As for rainfall, potentially maybe up to half an inch to an inch or so of rain potentially there Saturday night and Sunday morning, helping with the drought, but not eliminating the drought. And you'll see on Futurecast throughout the day Saturday, there you see some of that rain off to our west and some of those storms there. Nothing really here, but it's overnight into early Sunday morning. As that front comes in, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms through 6 a.m. on Sunday, bringing us some of those downpours. That'll be off to the east of us and south by 1 o'clock with maybe a stray shower and some cloud cover for the race. And then by the evening hours, the bulk of that rain clears out, eventually clearing the sky once you wake up on Monday. So warm mid-80s all the way through Saturday. There's the rain Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temperatures go from the 60s in the morning to the 50s and highs in the 80s to the 70s for next week. And you can see that maybe a small chance for rain returning next Thursday and Friday. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.